there's still gonna be some small punctures and some wounds that would result from a shark bite. But for example, instead of maybe having 200 stitches, you might only end up with maybe 10 or 20 stitches.
I've been here for 4 days, starting to think I won't make it out of here alive.
Fuck, you might not even make it out of there dead.
What?
I can't fit through there.
Well, find another Grim Reaper who can.
What, you want me to call the Slim Reaper? There's only one Grim Reaper.
Oh, fuck you.
Oh, go die in a hole.
I'm trying.
그니까. 근데 이게 이름이 이게 뭐야? 미친.
And then every time the place is like, they found this new like city in Guatemala.
Look at this guy. He looks just like a panda. I can't get over it. He's huge. It's all fluff, but he's like a little bear. I mean, look at those patches. You are ridiculous, buddy.
How do you stay relaxed when you look so relaxed when you're doing it?
There's your answer.
Pavel, you see that or no?
Playing new songs to see if my dog A&R approves.
jerk.
Here's another vintage shaving blade sharpener. So you grab it this way and then sharpen it. You see how it will rotate the sharpening stone, and whenever we want to sharpen it the other side, just flip it over and it will sharpen the other side of the blade. Pretty cool. And again, flip it over and it will sharpen it at the perfect angle. And once you're done, just lift it up and boom.
Wait till I get my money right. I had a dream I could buy my way to heaven when I wait till I get my money right. I had a dream I could buy my way to heaven when I